everybody, we have come with a new video which is discuss and solve multiple choice questions on central tendency. It is first topic of the subject biostatistics and research methodology of B Farm 8 SEM new PCI syllabus. In this, specially we will be discussing the multiple choice questions related to mean, mode and median. Question number 1 is following comes under the measures of central tendency. A. Arithmetic mean, B. Median, C. Mode, or D. All of the above. So you think what will be the answer of this question? So as we have initially discussed that in this topic we will be going to discuss mean, mode, median. So the answer will be all of the above. Here mean is the average of the data that we have received. Then median is the middle value of the data and mode is the most commonly occurring data or value. Question number 2 is for calculating median, the data is arranged in A. Ascending order, B. Descending order, C. No order, or D. Random order. So think for this answer. First of all, you should know what is ascending. So ascending means lowest to highest, and B is descending, which means highest to lowest. So if you think about the topic, if you have discussed or if you have learned, then in calculating median, we arrange the data from lowest to highest values. It means that the answer will be ascending order, that is A. Question number 3. Dash is the most occurring value in the data set. So A is mean, B is mode, C is median, or D is none. Here the answer will be B, that is mode. If you see this data 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 3. Here 4 has come 3 times. So in this data the value 4 is the mode. So mode is calculated by seeing the value which is coming many times or which has most number of frequency or which has most which is the highest frequency. So the answer is B, that is mode. The middle of the sequence of data is taken for calculating A mean, B mode, C median, or D none. Here if you think, then the answer will be C, that is median, because in median the sequence of data is taken and the middle value is the answer. Question number 5 is if total number of values in a data set are even, then median value is calculated by A. Middle value of sequence, B. Average of two middle values of sequence, average of three middle values of sequence, or none of the above. So here sometimes we might get confused and we might say that A, that is middle value of sequence, is the answer. But we have to remember that if the total number or total values are odd number, then the answer is middle value of sequence. But if it is in even number, then the average of two middle values is taken. So here the answer will be B, that is average of two middle values of sequence. Question number 6. The mean is calculated by A. Middle value of sequence, B. Sum of the values divided by the total number of items, C. Average of three middle values of sequence, D. Most frequently occurring value in the data set. So here what will be the answer? The answer will be B, that is sum of the values divided by the total number of items. The arithmetic mean is dash by extreme values. A. Very much affected, B. Not affected, C. Sometimes affected, or D. None of the above. So think what will be the answer. The answer will be A, that is very much affected, because in the mean values the extreme values are mattered, or it matters, but for median and mode the extreme values have no effect. The arithmetic mean cannot be used for A, qualitative characteristics, B, quantitative characteristics, C, both, or D, none of the above. Here what is qualitative and what is quantitative, that you have to remember. So the answer will be A, that is qualitative characteristics, because if you remember, then qualitative examples are like caste, religion, sex. These cannot be calculated as arithmetic mean. But for arithmetic mean, there should be quantity. So for quantitative characteristics only, arithmetic mean can be calculated. But here question they have asked is which cannot be calculated. So the answer is A. The median is dashed by extreme values. A, very much affected, B, not affected, C, sometimes affected, D, none of the above. So in this question the answer will be not affected, that is B, because previously only we have discussed that for median and mode there is no effect of extreme values. The dash is the only average to be used while dealing with qualitative data. A, mean, B, median, C, mode, D, none of the above. What will be the answer? Answer is B, that is median. The dash is not affected by extreme values. A, median, B, mode, C, both, D, none. Here the answer will be C, both. If any value is missing, then mean can be A, calculated, B, not calculated, C, sometimes calculated, D, none of the above. Here answer is not calculated, because if any of the number is missing or deleted, then exact mean you cannot calculate. So here answer will be B. Sorting of data from lowest to highest is done for calculating dash, mean, mode, median, all of the above. So your answer is median, because in the case of median we arrange the data from lowest to highest, that is in the ascending order. Relationship between mean, mode, median is A, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, B, median is equal to 3 mode minus 2 mean, mean is equal to 3 median minus 2 mode, D, mode is equal to 2 median minus 3 mean. Here answer will be A, that is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. The balance point of any data is mean, mode, median, all of the above. Here answer will be A, that is mean. When we calculate mean, then that value is the balance point of any given data set. Find the median of data 33, 44, 22, 55 or 11. Here answer will be A is 22, B 33, C 44 or D 55. So for calculating median, first of all we have to arrange the data in lowest to highest order, that is ascending order. So when we arrange it, then it is 11, 22, 33, 44 and 55. As this data is n is equal to 5, means it is odd number. So the middle point of this sequence will be the value. So here middle point is 33. So the answer is B, that is 33. Find the mode of data 2 4 6 3 6 7 6 7 6 4 2 3. So here what will be the answer? A2, B4, C6 or D7. So if we see this series of data, then for mode we calculate the frequency, that is the number of times any number or any data is repeated. So in this, first we will see for 2. 2 is coming twice. Then 3 is coming also twice. 4 is coming also twice. Then 6 is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. And 7 is coming 3 times. So your answer will be 6, as 6 is coming 4 times. So the answer is C, 6. Next question is, find the mean of data 12, 14, 17. Answer will be 11, 14, 16 or 17. So let us calculate mean of the data. For that, first of all, we have to add all the three values or all the three numbers given in the data. So 11 plus 14 plus 17 comes 42. Now we have to divide the total with number of data. So here three values are there, so n is equal to 3. So here 42 divided by 3 will be 14. So the answer will be B, that is 14. So thank you so much. Keep learning. Stay connected with us. Do subscribe our channel SRIP Edu Pharma if you have not subscribed yet. And we will be very happy if you will be sharing the scores with us, or in comment section you will be writing anything related to this video. So stay connected. Keep learning.